I saw this owl pellet in the driveway this morning, and I moved it to the side with a stick because I didn't want to puncture a tire on any bones or anything in it. There's some sharp bones in there, I figured, and there are. Now it started to rain, so I thought I want to save it from getting all wet because I would like to show it to you to see what an owl pellet looks like. This is the discarded bones, maybe fur, bits of fur that an owl regurgitates after it eats. So it's in more of a pellet shape when you first see it, but in my swooshing it off the driveway, I broke it up a little bit. I think it's pretty cool. Now what do we see here? This looks like a part of an insect. I don't know what part, but it sure looks to me like the exoskeleton of some insect. Look at that. That is very interesting. Of course, the gray is fur from something. We got a little tiny bone here. I'm feeling lots of bones in there. I'm looking for recognizable parts. That too looks like some part of an insect again. I don't know what. So that's interesting to me that they're eating insects too. Now, does it smell? No, I don't smell any foul odors or anything. That surprises me. Here we have a bone, probably a mouse of some sort, I'm guessing. I really don't know. Quite a few bones. Here's oh, look at that. That is a leg of what looks like a cricket or something. Cricket leg there. Interesting. I never thought about how they might eat insects too, but that makes sense. Looking for anything recognizable here. All these chunks have hard bits in them of bone. Here, I can see if I can get a section of bone separated here. Yeah, I'm pulling bones apart. Ooh, that looks like a jaw there, don't you think? I don't know. It looks like teeth here, almost. But then right here looks like a claw, some sort. So that's pretty interesting looking. I just don't know exactly what it's from. Ooh, there's a tiny bone there. Tiny sharp piece of bone right there. That is really sharp. I'm glad I didn't run over it with my car. It's more from that beetle or cricket or whatever, I think. I'll put that over here with the beetle. More black stuff from that beetle or cricket or whatever. Oh, this looks interesting, doesn't it? This looks like maybe a head, possibly. Like the top part of a skull. I don't know. Could be. Very possibly. Anybody have any ideas? Write it in the comments if you want to. I don't know what I'm looking at, but it's interesting. Ooh, there's a big one. Yeah, look at that. Get the hair off so you can see it better. There you are. Nice chunk of bone. It makes me wonder how many creatures' parts are in this particular pellet. What are their names and how many of them? Oh, this feels unique. I'm going to unpack that a little bit. All that fur around it. Oh, look at that. I think we have, oh, sure enough. I think that's a whole skull. Look, I can open and close the mouth almost right here. See that? I just opened up the mouth on it, whatever it is. There, see that? The mouth, the lower part. Look, see? I'm opening and closing the lower jaw. Probably a mouse. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I hope you're seeing it. We got low light conditions. Here, I'll get some of that fur off from it. There, you can see that mouse head better, maybe. Wow. I'm glad to see that they're eating mice around here, because that makes me pleased. I'm not a big fan of mice. And this feels like another skull here. I think I just opened the mouth there. Closed it. Yeah, see that? Open, closed, open, closed. Lots of little bits and things in here. So that's an owl pellet. I'm so glad that you got to be with me while I dissected it or went through it. Found bones and bits of insects. There's just more and more. See, there's a leg of that beetle or whatever. There's a lot of stuff in there yet. I can feel the bones and hard pieces. So, pretty awesome. Thanks, everybody. That was fun to do with you.